Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Dishwasher, and last time we left off we were on we defeated the first phase of the Fallen Engineer. Apparently. It was the first phase because, yeah, that's just what it was, sadly. But enough of that, let's just get into it. Ninja... Oh, fuck the prisoner. I know this place. It ends where it began. This nightmare is stagnant. This is Foghorn Cafe. Yeah, if you don't know that, that's where the first Dishwasher game took place. It was Dead Samurai. Oh, I played this before. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, what? It's you! Project Force 17. You've returned. Join my nightmare. gotta make sure we're not talking about lights not off. Yeah, we already lost ours. Alright, give me you now. Okay, we gotta dodge that lightning move at all costs. That lightning move will do some damage. Oh, there it is! There it is! Oh, everybody. Oh, he hit me with it. Okay. Be careful. Oh, God. Get over here, buddy. I think it's over here. Oh, my God. This is badass. Yes, I remember this part. Okay, here we go, guys. This is it. I was off guard. I was too busy in the middle. Alright, my fault, let's go. Alright, we got it this time. Oh god, you like just made that. Oh, right slice out of the air. Okay, let's go. One more time. Oh no, not one more. We're going to make time towards the end. Oh my god, I already hit it. Oh, okay. get it! Jesus Christ. I killed him once, but he hid himself away in the snooze of arrogant men. He's like a Hydra. Is it only the mask? How many heads will I have to cut off? How many planets will I have to amputate? We'll destroy all that is evil. We'll purge and purge until the universe is free. We'll live. And that's it. That's game. Hell yeah. And that's it for the Ninja Difficulty. This is the end of our playthrough for Dishwasher. I hope you all enjoyed it. If there's anybody that actually watched it, but, you know. There's Chef, there's where's Dishwasher? Bloody knife. Where's the homie? Scott Studios. Great game. Very great game. Love it. You've unlocked Samurai difficulty and Speedrun difficulty. Nice. Thank you all for watching this playthrough. And if anyone, I don't care if no one watched it, just saying, if anyone did, thank you so much for watching this. This was a very fun playthrough. I enjoyed it. Thank you all for watching. And we'll start up another playthrough next week. And yeah, that's about it. See ya. Thank you for watching.